next on course. These French C1 paddlers are pretty incredible to watch.
Second in Prague this year. Fourth in the World Cup in Slovenia.
Unfortunately, picking up a 50-second penalty in gate 4.
The 23 world champion back in 2022.
Without that 50-second penalty, this time would be well and truly in touch, looking to confidently progress through to the semi-finals. There is a chance there would be a video review. There we go. It's been changed to a 2-second penalty.
Well, that's a big relief because that would have been a huge challenge. Debliquy can now concentrate. Still 6 seconds. So what's the cut-off at the moment? It's 5.67. 5.67 is the bottom of the qualifieds at the moment, so he's got some work to do, and you can see anxiously coming down 29, 6.36, and that's not going to be enough.
We still have